Hi everybody, how are you doing? This is Mars and today we are going to use the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino to read some objects. What does it mean? For example, you are here on the screen that we have the distance. If we move this, we are going to change the distance and then come back to 2 and 1. Great, yeah? Let's start it. Okay, before we start to coding, let's put some cables to work here. Here we have the VCC, the trigger, the echo, and the ground. So, let's start with the positive. You are going to get it from 5 pin, okay? As you can see. So we get the red cable, put on VCC, and it's okay. Now let's get the echo. The echo is position 10. As you can see here, I'm getting from 10 put it here. Okay, now we need the echo. The echo you are getting from 8 pin. Okay, and now we need the ground. The ground we are going to get from this pin here. G and D, the last one, and we are going to put it here. Now we have every cable in their position. Let's continue to the Arduino software. Okay, we are here on Arduino, and here is the all code that we need to make it work. Okay, let's explain some words, some lines here. We have the trigger that I'm going to use it number 8, and we have the echo. I'm going to use it number 10. Here we have the variables to make it work. Duration variable, distance, the distance centimeters, and the distance used inch. Okay, here we have to start pin mode trigger for output. Is going to send a command to detect something. And here we are using the echo pin as input to read the data from the sensor and the command to start to read the data. Here on loop, we have to send command to trigger low, wait 2 microseconds, then we send again high to trigger, delay microsecond 10, and then we write again trigger using low. The variable duration is going to get the data using pulse in. Here we have the way that we can calculate the distance for. Here we have the variable for centimeters, and here we have the distance using inch. Then we are going to print to see in real time what's going on using the distance, and then we can put one variable or other. If we want to see in inch, we have to show using distance underline inch. Let's upload it, and then let's see how it's working. We are going to change the distance and then come back to 2 and 1. Great, yeah? That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please enjoy it. And if you want to see new videos, subscribe to receive them as soon as they are published. See you!